Hey everybody, welcome back to TAZS's Wig Closet. My grandma always said better late than never. That's especially true for this video because I'm finally getting around to presenting my favorite wig style from 2025. So here it is, Belle Tress Austen. This is in the Milkshake Blonde. I have 4 other blondes behind me that I'm gonna put on and show you just so you can see the differences in the color. So what I love about this style, it's the absolute perfect length. It gives me some length to work with and give me some fullness. It has the wave that I love. So it's about 9 to 10 inches all the way around. It has a temple to temple lace front that extends to the ear tab, seamless into a full monofilament top and hand-tied panels all the way around. This makes it ultra comfortable and it just gives that extra level up on realism because I have worn this in lots of different weather conditions. And let me tell you, it looks so unbelievably real. I get so many compliments, but the truth is, I just feel like myself when I wear this wig style. It's flowy, it's a beautiful light density, it's made from the Belle Tress synthetic heat-friendly fiber that you know and love, and I really haven't taken any heat to this other than just using the heat from my hand to gather a little bit of heat to put right here at the front to give me a little bit of lift and contour. And what that also does, it just helps it keep it away from the face because we have kind of a singular length all the way around. There's not much graduation here. A light density, a light fine fiber, it just doesn't get any more natural looking than Belle Tress's Austen. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to show you each one of these colors, but I'm gonna do a voiceover so that we can get into a little bit more detail as I work this wig around the camera for some visuals. Everybody have a great day and a great year. I can't wait to see what else Belle Tress has in store for us in 2026. We'll see you right back here at TAZS's Wig Closet. So the first color that we have to look at here on Belle Tress Austen is Milkshake Blonde R. A lot of you will be familiar with this blonde. It is a favorite across a lot of the different collections in Belle Tress. The number color code on this is a 12, a 19, a 23, and an 8 root. This is more or less a light brown, heavy platinum highlights, some neutral blonde highlights with a medium brown root. And remember, the rooting is going to look a little bit darker under this particular lighting. And then next up is Sparkling Champagne R. Now this is a bit of a new color for the Belle Tress line. And it was a lot darker than I thought it was going to be based on the color swatch that they advertise. That color code is an 8, 16, 21, and an 8 root. A medium brown base color. There's some light brown running through there and then some ash blonde and neutral blonde highlighting. So I feel like this is a neutral color. It's a bit darker than a lot of the other blondes that we're used to. And again, that root is subtle because it actually matches the base color. And next up, Cool Chai Latte Blonde R. That color code is a 10, a 17, a 23, and an 8. This is indeed a neutral leaning cool color. It's very dynamic. It starts with a light brown base shade and then it's highlighted heavily with a very cool dark blonde as well as a cool light blonde, almost platinum shade. I love how they disperse the highlights on this. Again, super layered, super dynamic, and definitely a cool color. And then the fourth color that I'm demonstrating is the Buttercake Blonde R. This is a breakout favorite for me. I really love the neutrals, and I find that if there's a little bit of warmth in there, that it actually flatters my skin tone the best. That color code is a 10, 23, 88, and an 8 root. A light golden brown base color with some light ash blonde highlighting,
and some light gold blonde highlighting, which just kind of tips it into warm. And then that medium brown root to further give it that layered look.